After eating some delicious food at a restaurant, I think you should leave some propina. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is propina. Propina. This means tip. You know, when you go to a restaurant and you leave a tip. Propina is a feminine noun, so you can say la propina or una propina. The plural form is las propinas or unas propinas. Now let's see a few examples using propina. ¿Cuánto dinero tengo que dejar de propina? ¿Cuánto dinero tengo que dejar de propina? Los meseros esperan que dejes propina. Los meseros esperan que dejes propina. Las propinas ayudan a las meseras del restaurante. Las propinas ayudan a las meseras del restaurante. Gracias por la propina. Gracias por la propina. Se me olvidó dejar una propina. Se me olvidó dejar una propina. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Also leave more examples down below using propina. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!